watching Mack Transporter. We have our racers, and you see here, this shiny like McQueen. It says here on the side of the box that it has that. So let's get it first. We're gonna get our racers out. Whoa! Look at this. We got a Lightning McQueen and our blue remote. Time to take out the big stuff. Ooh, yeah! It's so cool. Look at this. We're gonna put this box aside, and here we have our racers. You can just put it on. I'm not gonna put some on here, otherwise it won't work. Just gonna open this side up, look inside, and put a few racers. The shiny like McQueen I showed you, Johnny Cocoons, RPM, chip bearings, chip bricks, and last but not least, shiny rusty like McQueen. And now we're gonna I'm gonna catch this so it won't fall off. 3, 2, 1, go! And now we're gonna look at these cars. And now you see the rest of these cars. I'm gonna put them down. 3, 2, 1, go! What happened there? What happened to Tim Trellis? Look at a blue remote. And I have a whole Lightning McQueen crew. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Merry Christmas and bye!